Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric cloth dryers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the electric clothes dryer indoors Tri-Layers Fast. This happens to be the first best electric cloth dryer I ever came across. I wasn't always accustomed to these cloth dryers, but my encounter with this particular product changed my view to date. Ideal for damp, rainy or cold weather when manual drying is a near impossibility, this dryer doesn't just dry but also disinfects the clothes, leaving them safe and comfortable. Given its quick operation and portable design, I could also use it as a portable wardrobe when not using it as an electric cloth dryer. Something else I loved about this cloth dryer is the fact that you can use the host as a heater, which eliminates the need for you to purchase a heater during the cold season. In a jiffy, it boasts a versatile construction which makes it ideal for almost all reasonably possible activities. I was always skeptical when buying an electrical appliance, but this electric cloth dryer expelled that fear to the last wee bit. The versatile, practical and effective construction makes this cloth dryer a must-have for any homeowner, while its modern design makes its operation a breeze. The remote control eases its use, while its dual power options allow you to choose the one which best works for you. The programmable construction allows you to schedule the drying process for easier operations. Moving on, at number 4, we have the portable clothes dryer 1200W electric laundry drying. My friend uses this electric cloth dryer. All he can say is that it is the best electric cloth dryer he has ever seen. This saves him the hassle of manual drying. Also, it eliminates chances of microorganism and virus growth, mold and odor accumulations, as well as spores and pollen infestation. Its huge capacity makes it ideal for holding large amounts of clothes at any given time, and it can hold up to 15 kgs. The smart temperature feature keeps track of the overall operation and eliminates chances of overheating, thus keeping your clothes safe and secure. The foldable and simple design makes it ideal for various environments, while the user-friendly mode makes its use a breeze. At number 3, we have the LG DLEX9000V 29 inches Energy Star front-load electric dryer. The DLEX900V has the largest capacity of any of the dryers in our ratings with 9 cubic feet, which LG says is large enough to dry a king-size bedding set in a single load. It also includes features such as sensors to determine if your clothes are dry and a steam cycle to prevent wrinkles. Elevated angled door. Go easy on your back with LG's elevated ergonomically angled door design. On door control panel, electronic control panel is integrated into the door for a distinct style plus the intuitive functionality you expect from an LG dryer. Kink in your wardrobe plans. Toss the shirt in the dryer, turn on turbo steam, and in just 10 minutes your shirt is back in tip-top shape. At number 2, we have the electric portable laundry drying rack with high-powered. My mom has been using this best electric cloth dryer for a long time. She has had a great time with it. It outmuscles its competitors on several aspects and features. It doesn't damage the clothes like some options I have seen before. Last, it boasts a compact and lightweight design which makes it portable and highly convenient. The extra powerful performance of 1200W makes it faster than most of its competitors, while the superior hand drying feature makes it even better and protects overheating. It eliminates bacteria, while the UVC lamp, which activates automatically after every cycle, kills all bacteria like the E. coli and norovirus for added safety. And finally, at number 1, we have the ZDY15kg compact electric foldable clothing dryer. Portable clothes drying. I bought this Simple Living Products electric cloth dryer after giving the other one to my brother. It still looked new, so he didn't mind taking it with him when he decided to move out of my house and get his own apartment. One of the things I loved about this electric dryer is the fact that it can dry clothes within 30 minutes and works excellently. The 0 to 180 minute time allows me to schedule each drying, while the automatic shutoff cuts down the overall juice cost. The dual internal racks offer an even faster drying, while its versatile and portable design makes it ideal for almost anywhere. Whether you want to get it for hotels, gyms, offices, boats, small spaces, or your apartment, this cloth dryer will work correctly. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.